Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a cat playing a video game. It's going to be real simple, easy for beginners. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to throw a curved line here at the top for the top of the head. Going to go over here, throw a triangle for the left ear, over here, triangle for the right ear. Pulling down the side of the face on this side, down the side of the face on this side. Gonna draw kind of a zigzag shape on one side, zigzag shape on the other. Pulling in, pulling in. Gonna go over here, line straight across, down, up for a triangle for the nose. Curve right here, curve right here. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a kind of a curved line for one eye. Curved line here for the other eye. So he's going, haha, you know. Inner ear is going to be just a triangle. Inner ear, triangle on this side. Down the left side of his body for one side of his body. Down over here, his back side of his body. Kind of a square shape here for one paw. Square shape here for another paw. Curved line between. Curved line around the side for the controller. Curved line over here for the other side of the controller. Down a bit up right here for kind of an edge here. Straight across, up. Kind of buttons right here. They look like pills or something. Circle, 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 circle right there for one control pad. And over here I'm going to draw a kind of a cross shape over here for the D-pad over there. Line out for the kind of cord. Line in for the foot. Gonna pull back for his tail and an S curve. Gonna do the exact same thing, but it's gonna get bigger as it goes out. And then zigzag right there for the end of the tail. Let's find a color differentiation here, right there. And color change right here on the paws. And then right here at the stomach as well. And then don't forget around the mouth over here. Let's draw some whiskers sticking out. 1, 2, 3, maybe from the middle area. And there you go. You have a cat playing a video game. Very simple. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you next time. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to share the video, okay? Check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com, and I will talk to you next time.